Apart from monetizing on YouTube, we have a whole lot of other monetization platform. I know many of you know monetizing on YouTube, monetizing on Facebook, and if you are a blogger or you own a website, monetizing using Google AdSense. So these are the let me say, should I say the three most common monetization platforms people do know. But we have other monetization platforms just like the HB agency and AdStera. So in today's video, I just want to briefly talk about other monetization platforms apart from YouTube, Facebook, Google AdSense for YouTube and for bloggers. Okay, so most people have own a blog or a website, and then all they do is wait for when Google AdSense is going to monetize them. You know, monetizing on Google AdSense is quite very hard. Like honestly, it's tedious. The process is just so tedious. You must have authentic content, like original content. It must not be AI written. Yeah, your content must not be AI written. You can't copy anybody's content to post there without proper editing, proper writing, rewriting to Google's taste. English, the English you use, you must be very, very like very delicate with the English you're using. Some words are banned. You don't post some maybe some content, adult contents are not allowed. So I would say it's a whole lot monetizing with Google AdSense. Same with YouTube and same with Facebook because of the procedures. But we have other platforms like I mentioned, the HB agency and Astera. These are platforms that outside Google AdSense, if you own a blog, you can actually monetize with it. And for Adstera, you own a website, you don't own a website, you can still monetize. Adstera is one of the most simplest, but I know it's a bit tedious, it's a bit taskful to earn on Adstera, but it's just something like gradually, little by little, you earn little by little on Adstera until you can have the, how should I put it, the engagement you need to earn. So you can use your Facebook to earn on Adstera, you can use other sites, you can use Twitter, you can use Instagram if you have a lot of traffic there to earn on Astera. But there are rules to this. So in today's video, I want to talk about HB agency. Yeah, a lot of people don't know about HB agency. This is one nice platform just like Google AdSense. Yeah, they are second to Google AdSense. This is one nice platform. With HB agency, let me bring it this way. With HB agency, you can monetize your platform. They pay with euros. Yeah, they pay with euros. It's just like Google AdSense. You own a website, you own a blog, you post content, and their minimum amount of views per month is like from 5,000. Yeah, that's their threshold, 5,000 views a month at least. In the last 28 days, you have 28 to 30 days, you should have at least minimum of 5,000 views on your website, which is quite simple to get. You can push the website using Facebook. You can push it using social media platform, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. So you can post it using these platforms. So what you do is post on the website. You share this post to your Facebook. You share the post from your website to your Instagram and same to your Twitter. And this is how you can now get traffic into the website and then have visibility on the website. So what you need to do is you don't post adult content on the website. You don't post unauthentic content. You don't do copy and paste. You post original content for HB agency to monetize your platform. And it's quite simple to earn on HB agency. It's quite simpler to monetize with HB agency than Google AdSense. Yeah, it's quite simpler to monetize with HB agency than Google AdSense. So on HB agency, getting monetized, standing a chance of having over 5,000 views in a month. Yeah, it's possible to have 10,000 views, 15,000 views, 20,000 views in a month. But as a starter, at least you start to build, you start by building it. And I would say most times I say have a group, Facebook groups, build those Facebook groups because these are the groups that you will use. Yeah, these are the groups you use to push to have visibility to your website. Yeah, a whole lot of people are using groups to push and have visibility on their websites. So have groups on Facebook, how to create a group. You want me to tutor on how to create groups, nice groups on Facebook and groups that are going to be visible to people outside the country, both Nigeria, groups that people will really join. And this how they call those groups. These are groups that easily grows by themselves. Yeah, groups that easily grow by themselves because we have niches in Facebook that easily grow. We have like the marketplace, we have buying and selling groups, we have news, we have US team, and all most of those groups. These are groups that easily grown on Facebook. So have these groups, start from there, then own a website, post on website original content, and then grow the website. Then from there, start applying to HbAgency. When once you see you've hit the 5,000 threshold of views in a month, you start applying for HbAgency. It doesn't mean they will accept you at the very first month. Yeah, they might accept you later on, but start applying after 30 days, you re-apply. But the most part of it is push the group, let the group have visibility, enough visibility, and you should have original content as well. So push the group, have original content, and keep pushing. So from there, we will now move to the next step because it's just an introductory class to other platform that monetize your audience. Yeah, you use it to monetize your audience. It's a nice platform. HB Agency is a nice platform for you to monetize your audience. So with this in my next class I might come up with HB agency, their terms and conditions, how to grow on HB agency, earning money on HB agency, withdrawing and all of that. But for now, we're going to stop with just a very short class I came up with, and then moving forward, my next subsequent video I'll also talk about Astera and how to earn on Astera even without having a website. Yeah, it's quite simple to do that too. So see you in my next video. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. Drop a comment where you don't understand. We talk more. See you in my next video, and bye for now.